I'm giving myself a budget of $100 to thrift new furniture for my apartment. The item I want to thrift for under $20 is a new coffee table. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. I'm sorry, is that a Ninja? I love the idea of an electric fire, but I don't like how this one looks. It says, oh my god, it's a coconut lane cake. It actually is cute. Found one coffee table, but I don't like the shape. Big Buck World is still at the thrift store. How do we feel about a piece like this? But wait a second. $169. I feel like this didn't even cost that brand new. So far, no luck, but let's try again tomorrow. I have a budget of $100 to thrift new furniture for my apartment. Today, we're still looking for a clear rectangular coffee table. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. This would have been worth a fortune in 2005 middle school. I actually love this easel. It's only $5. The curse of having no space strikes again. This is cool. This is a drafting table for an artist or like an architecture student. Of course, next to it, we have some beavers eating corn. These must be from like an old school. This could be pretty, but it's not really my vibe. This is disgusting. This is a used wax kit. Someone used this once and donated this. Yeah, nothing today, but B wants to wish you a belated happy Valentine. I have a budget of $100 to thrift new furniture for my apartment. We are still looking for a glass-topped coffee table. Let's go to the thrift store and see what we can find. It's a miracle from the thrift gods themselves that almost got away because I was filming this. Someone else tried to take this $10 table, but I was not going to let this flipper steal it from me. So I had to rush to the cab, but I think it's perfect.